Hello, my name is David Kixey, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to solder two pieces of copper piping together. Today, we will be using one handheld propane torch, one spool of lead-free solder, lead-free solder paste, and brush to go with it, 1/2-inch copper coupler, 2 pieces of 1/2-inch copper piping. What you need to do is take your sandpaper and sand off the outer layer of the copper. And what that's going to do is it's basically cleaning off the outer surface impurities of the copper, which will make it so that when I put the solder on there and it gets sucked in by the flux, it'll seal and make a better seal against the other piece of copper. And so basically what that does is it prevents water leaks and air leaks and so forth. All right, your first step is take your solder paste, you need your brush, take it and apply it all liberally on the outside of the pipe, the inside of the connector, and the other pipe you're going to be attaching. Now that you've applied all the solder paste to all of your pieces, start assembling them so that way they're all put together. Okay. After that, what you'll need to do is take your torch, light it, and start heating up the copper. And you'll heat it up until the flux solder paste starts to boil. And then you'll just gently put your solder here until it starts to melt. You'll want to go all the way around and make sure you get enough solder in all the parts. All right, let's get started. This is where I'm going to start heating up the copper to melt the solder paste, so that way it'll suck in Now that we've completed the soldering of the two pieces of copper, what we would do in the field is we would wait until all the rest of the system of piping was done. Then we would seal it up and we'd put 5 pounds of pressure into the pipe. And then we'd wait an hour. And if by the end of the hour there was still 5 pounds of pressure, it was done, tested, and good to go. I do not have the equipment to do that right here, but this is a prime example of what you would want to do for a soldering pipe. Thank you for your time, and this ends my demonstration.